America, after all, and we partner with great companies to make these, make equipment to collect. It's just a decision of whether or not we are doing so.
Yeah, and when it all started, I'm Kash Patel. Thank you, the former Department of Defense Chief of Staff, former Deputy Director of National Intelligence, again, in the Trump administration. We're following all this very closely and following protests worldwide, particularly in France, having nothing to do with spy balloons, everything to do with adjusting pension retirement ages. In France, Emmanuel Macron wants to raise the retirement age from 62 now to 64, phase it in over years, more than a decade. That didn't stop more than 1 million Parisians to hit the streets, cumulatively, in day after day of protest. What would happen in this country if there were similar adjustments?
We were staying in Paris to get away from your parents, and I thought, wow, if I could take this in a shower.